Hello everyone and welcome back to Learning with the Difference. Today's news headlines for School Morning Assembly. 6,370 new COVID cases in India. 213 Omicron cases so far. COVID. Omicron scare. Kejriwal to review Delhi COVID preps. Arvind Kejriwal to review COVID preps today. COVID. Delhi reports 125 new COVID cases. Kerala, 9 more tests positive for Omicron. Christmas New Year public celebrations banned in Delhi. 490 new COVID cases in Mumbai, big jump in 24 hours. Parliament winter session, 10 bills passed after 48 hours of discussion in both houses. And now some international news. Omicron at least doubles risk of getting infected on a plane. Russia awaits security talks with US, NATO amid Ukraine crisis. 2022 must be the year we end the pandemic, says WHO chief as Omicron becomes dominant in many countries. UK approves COVID jab for under 12s as new daily cases top 1 lakh. Now some sports news. Hockey. Bronze for India's men hockey team. Asian Champions Trophy. India beat Pakistan. South Africa vs India. Cricket South Africa reveals special plans for Johannesburg Test to celebrate 30 years of cricketing ties. Kane Williamson ruled out. New Zealand named Tom Latham as captain for Bangladesh Test. And these were today's news headlines. Thank you to all of you. Have a nice day.